These AI-filled videos are going viral on TikTok right now, and this page alone has gained thousands of followers and 6.6 million and 3.6 and 2 million views on the videos. So today, I will show you exactly how to create these AI-filled videos yourself using AI. Let's get started. First, you will need the master prompt that we created for this niche. You can get it from our WhatsApp channel, the link is in the description. Once you copy the master prompt, head over to the ChatGPT and paste it there. After running it, ChatGPT will generate 10 different ideas and concepts for you. You can just simply type any number, or you can also give your own idea as well. For this, I am going with the number 3. Now once it finishes generating, ChatGPT will give you an image prompt and a matching video prompt. Copy the image prompt first, then head over to the Flow AI and paste it into the image generation section. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Inside the Flow AI, switch to the video generation section, upload the image you just created as a starting frame, paste the video prompt and click generate. After a short wait, your AI-filled video will be ready. You can then download the video directly. Here are a few other variations I created using the same workflow. And that's basically it. This is how you can create AI-filled animal videos in just a few minutes. If you want the exact master prompt I used in this video, comment AI-filled and I will send it to you. And if you get stuck anywhere in the process, whether it's prompt consistency or video generation problems, just drop me your issue in the comments. I try to reply and help as many people as possible. Also make sure you subscribe the channel because I will be covering more hidden AI niches before they get saturated. See you in the next one.